Another thing relates to a completely different topic, and that is animations and visuals. They often tell you, have lots of art, have lots of visuals, and what people will do is they'll pull clip art from the web. Well, clip art looks like clip art. It just looks generic. It's much better to try as much as possible to create art that is specific to what you're trying to teach about. So often if you have specifically created art, it can really get to the point much better. So hire students, find people who are good artists to help you create specific art that speaks to what you're trying to do. To create animations, it's really not that difficult. It's just time consuming. What you have is a piece of art, then another picture that layers onto that, then another one, and that can create the sort of the movie magic of that it's something that's moving when it actually isn't. So it isn't too expensive to get this kind of art, but it can really pay off for you in the long run if you have something that makes a great video, because it's got material that clearly shows that you've put the time and effort in to create that video.